go, it's running now. Okay, just turn it over there. And normally what happens is with the person who's flying, read out what's on the left and I respond what's on the right.
Okay.
Let's get going.
Okay, so pre-flight, I suppose?
Yep, navigation, transfer and display switches.
Normal and auto.
They're normal and auto.
Okay, so where's this?
Okay, all those switches are up here.
Oh yeah.
And this one here. And we just check those are in the normal position.
Okay, are they?
Yes, they are.
Okay, good.
Yaw damper, it's the next one.
Yaw damper on, where's that?
Just there.
Oh yeah, okay.
You need to flick that on there, just flick it on.
Gotcha. Oh, I see what's going on, okay. The window heat.
Okay, window heat. I'll put these on for you.
Okay.
That's for the back windows for the passengers and also for our heat around the...
Ah, screw them. Hydraulics?
Hydraulics. These are hydraulics, hydraulic pumps.
Yeah.
They're coming on.
Okay. Okay, so flight instruments, heading and altimeter.
Yep, mine's set and also cross-checked on your side to make sure that they're both centralised.
Oh, just center?
All centred and make sure that we've actually got the right heading and that sort of thing.
Okay, where are we heading?
Well, that's our current heading, so 052, and I have to make sure that I've got 052 on the same side.
Okay. Parking brake.
Parking brake. Is our parking brake?
Oh, gotcha.
That's it.
Okay. Engine start levers cut off.
Those are that ones.
Okay.
They're the fuel cut-off switches, and they're cut off.
Okay.
Okay.
Before start?
Yep.
Flight deck door?
Okay, it's closed and locked.
Okay. Fuel in kilograms?
Okay. Well, first of all, this is our fuel down here, how much fuel we've got.
Is that enough?
That's plenty.
Okay.
And we've also got our fuel pumps up here.
Okay.
So you just want to flick them all on.
And?
Yep, that one there and also that one there.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Gotcha. Cool. Passenger signs.
Okay, just flick the passenger sign on. There you go.
That means to turn on the seatbelts, right?
Yep, that's the one.
Screw you guys. Okay, windows locked?
Yes, windows are locked.
Okay. So I don't tip the guy with a credit card when he washes my windows?
Oh, no, you don't have to do that at all.
Okay, MCP and all this stuff.
Yep, that's the autopilot. We just make sure that we've got our speed. We have to use that because this one here, if you control your own speed, you'll be flat out, I can tell you.
Okay.
So what we do is we just set our speed to our takeoff speed, 180 knots.
Okay. And that's for the takeoff, you're saying?
This is we set this for our climb and also as we're going along the runway.
Gotcha. Okay, CDU pre-flight.
Okay, it's our flight manager computer and CDU.
Okay.
Okay, so we need to program this. Okay, so Auckland is set, so just push route.
Okay.
And then you've got Auckland down there, so just put that into origin.
Okay.
Okay. Then we're going into Whenuapai, so you need to punch in on the keypad there, NZWP.
NZWP.
Yep. Whenuapai.
There's not a phone thing, is it?
Then just put that up to destination.
And that's the destination. Yep. Oh, gotcha.
Okay.
So that's your GPS thing or what?
Well, it's our navigation display.
Okay,
and
gotcha.
you'll see on your navigation display there, you've got a little pink line come up.
Yep.
You can actually change the range by turning this.
Okay, I gotcha. So when we start taking off, we just follow that line.
Exactly.
Gotcha.
Alright, and still got some more things to do.
Yep.
Just punch in runway.
Runway?
Yep.
Okay.
We're taking off on a default runway at the moment, which is 05 right.
05
right.
Right.
That's the runway heading.
Okay.
So we're currently on 052, so currently we're facing directly at it.
Do you guys get blisters doing this?
Sorry?
Do you guys get blisters doing this with your fingers?
Not at all.
Okay.
Okay, then Whenuapai, we're going to land on runway 03, which is against the default runway in use today.
And 03.
So you just push runway.
Oh, gotcha. And then 03.
And 03.
Okay.
Okay, and then just push load.
Load.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, and then execute.
Execute.
Which is the button there.
That's okay.
Okay, and what we need to do is we need to get this so the computers know exactly how heavy the aircraft is. So we need to set that. So if you click on preference, okay, and press execute to execute that page. Now the next thing we have to do is push the cost index, push 100 in there. Cost index is the amount of fuel for the cost of it basically.
Oh.
So this amount of cost effectiveness of how much fuel we're going to use. So you put it up to cost index. No, just push that button there. Top button. No. Sorry, just get the Oopsie. It's alright. Okay.
Oh, cost index, there
That's
it is.
The one.
Okay.
Okay, our reserves is 8. So it's 8,000. So just put in, just punch 8 in there. Just
and
put
that's
it up on there. That's it. Okay, and then one more thing. Push 59.
And what is 59?
That's our zero fuel weight. That's our weight of the aircraft, so it's 59,000.
Okay.
Okay? So don't need to worry about that. Okay, our cruise altitude is 3,000 feet, so punch in 3,000.
Okay, and cruise altitude
is on the right-hand side.
Oh, this one.
Yep.
Gotcha.
Okay, and press execute to get that going. Now, this unfortunately does take all the time.
Yep.
So what we need to do now is push M1 limit. These are our takeoff speeds. Now we don't need to put anything on this page.
Okay.
So over to takeoff, and we take off with 5 degrees of flap. This is our flaps here.
Okay.
Okay. So no need to push that just yet. So punch in 5.
5.
Yep. And then put it up to flaps.
And it will do it automatically or what?
No, we still need to do it. Just telling the computer what exactly we've got here.
Oh, I see. So it knows what we're doing.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
So on your speed tape, which is on the far left there, the far one, it's got 30 on it at the moment.
Yep.
On there, we'll show our flap settings.
Okay.
As we come down.
Gotcha.
Okay. Now these are our takeoff speeds, V1 up to VR and V2. So highlight all those.
All of them?
Yep. Well, apart from the bottom one there, which has got. Yep. That's it. Okay, we're done there. So I'll just get you to the press approach.
Approach.
Yep. And we're going to land onto at Fnorpo with 40 degrees of flat. Because you just highlight 40 there.
Okay, so this one here?
Yep. And then put that down to flat.
And flip.
There
we go.
Right there. So we're going to land with 40 degrees of flap. Our landing speed's 139 knots.
Gotcha.
Okay?
Okay, so that's the takeoff speed.
That's it.
Okay.
We're done.
Okay.
Next checklist. Next part of the checklist there.
Where was I?
You see the pre-flight, so we got the trim.
That was all for that one line?
Yep.
Sheesh. Trim.
Trim. Okay, so we normally take off between 5 and 6. You've got a little marker there as well.
Yep.
Now, you just on the left-hand side of your control column, which is this.
Yeah.
On the left-hand side.
What's this?
Okay, that's the autopilot disconnect, but on the far... On the top
this one.
That one there. Push it up, push both of those buttons up.
Oh, got it.
So, take off between 5 and 6. So put that about there. That's
Gotcha.
perfect.
Oh, that's cool.
Now that basically controls the the pitch of the aircraft, basically.
Elevator trim. Gotcha.
Yeah, that's the one.
Okay. Okay, and then is there a trim for...
This is our trim. That's what we just done.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Now next bit.
Taxi and takeoff briefing.
Okay, so we take a taxi out to 05 right, and then we climb out, head over the city.
Okay.
That's basically the takeoff briefing.
Gotcha. Anti-collision lights.
Alright, that's our anti-collision light, which is the red strobe on top of the fuselage.
This one here?
Just one of those. This one here. Yep, that's the one.
Gotcha.
Okay, we don't worry about that, we're going to push back now. Okay, so release the parking brake.
Release parking brake.
Push it forward.
Okay.
Okay, you don't need that, just put it on top of the dash thing.
Gotcha.
So we'll start to push back. Now normally what happens is when we start the engines, the pilot on the right hand side starts number 2 engine.
Yeah.
And then the captain starts the number 1 engine.
I was thinking the Tommy Gun where everybody has that little secret key there, right?
What we do is we just push it forward. So basically I'm going to push it in. No, you don't need to start it yet. No.
Oh, sorry.
We start one engine at a time.
Okay.
And this is our engine display. Now we take off, we put it on at about 20% on the N2.
Okay.
Which is the small fan on the back of the engine.
Okay.
Okay, so wait until that gets to 20%. Why don't we push him back? There we go. It's better. Okay, fuel on. Fuel's coming on.
Yep.
So we've got a good light, and EGT's rising, the exhaust gas temperature. And that's in degrees.
Gotcha.
Okay, wait until that's stabilised. Okay, stabilised. Start the next one.
So I do this
push
now?
it forward. That's the one.
Okay.
And then you just put your hand on there at 20% on the N2.
So I just do it?
Push it out, then push it up. No. As soon as it gets to 20%.
Oh. Gee, I'm quick.
Push it back down again. That's the one. Okay, so on 20%, push it up. Okay, fuel on. There we go. Got a good light.
Okay.
Okay. I'll just turn on the anti-ice. So we've got aircraft taxiing around us.
Yep.
Alright, just going to push this around.
I assume now we're at the stage where some guys in front kind of push us out of here.
Yeah.
Gotcha. So when do you do this flap wing and all this other check stuff?
Or you do that as soon as we start taxiing.
Oh.
Okay, so I'm just turning the aircraft around so that we're lined up on here. So all we have to do is just go straight out.
Okay.
There we go, that's perfect. And then we stop here.
Okay.
Okay. Parking brake set. So push it out towards you. That's the one.
Okay.
Okay, so now we basically do the after start checks. checklist.
Before taxi.
Before taxi, same thing.
Generators on.
Okay, these are our generators. So all the lights now come on.
Okay.
So basically push those forward.
All of them.
No, just the ones that have the lights.
Oh, gotcha.
No, forward, towards the fuselage.
Oh.
That's the one. There
Whoops.
you go. That's okay. There you go, done.
Gotcha. Okay, I got it. Okay.
So that shuts off the APU, which is the auxiliary power unit.
Okay.
Okay.
That's to start the whole thing, isn't it?
Exactly.
Okay. Where was I?
Just here.
Here we are. Probe heat.
Probe heat is on. I've just switched that on for
What
you.
is that, anyways?
That's the anti-ice. So we've got 2 probes on the end on each side of us.
Gotcha. Okay.
Which supply hot air to the airspeed indicators.
Anti-ice.
Anti-ice is on.
Okay. Isolation valve auto.
It's on auto.
Okay. Engine start switches.
Okay, coming to continuous. We're going to provide a continuous spark to the engines.
Okay. Recall check.
Recall. It's checked, no lights.
Okay. Auto brake RTO.
Okay, so flick that to reject to takeoff.
Now?
Yep.
Okay. Engine start levers idle detent.
That's idle.
Okay. So we're good?
Yep.
Okay,
Good.
flight controls.
Okay, we just check full and free movement to make sure we have got full controls. Make sure
Okay.
it's full and free.
Gotcha.
And that's full and free.
Okay, rudder 2.
Nope, you don't need to worry about that. We
Okay.
actually need to do the rudder check as we start moving off.
Gotcha. Ground equipment clear.
Okay, we've got no ground equipment. It's good. We're good to go.
Gotcha. Okay.
Okay, so you need to put that away now.
Okay.
Let's get going. So release parking brake
Okay.
and push the engine starter just to get us moving. So slightly forward. Slightly forward. Bit more. Bit more. There we go. Okay, and we'll start to move in a minute. There we go. We're moving.
Okay.
Okay. Now on the left-hand side, you're going to put what's called the tiller. Now you've got little marks telling you where that needs to go.
Oh, gotcha. So
Obviously you need to come. Yep, that's the one.
am I going too fast now, or are we
Yeah,
going?
you just put the throttles back a bit. There you go. There you go. Now we're going to swing around to the right in a minute. So keep coming straight ahead first. Sorry, I'm just helping you out here. No.
Oh.
Keep going. That's it. We're going to go straight on to what's called taxiway Bravo. Okay, so we basically come around here. Okay. This is the standby runway at Auckland.
Okay, gotcha.
So we swing around to the right. That's it. Not too much. There you go. Just ease it off a bit. That's it. It's okay. Takes a while to get used to.
Okay.
Okay. Now keep us going down here for a bit. Now bring 5 degrees of flap in, please. Yep. So it's past the guard.
Whoopsie.
That's okay.
Okay. Just mow the lawn.
Okay, it's it. And we'll just turn to our runway heading, just in case you need to put it on autopilot.
Okay.
Okay, power back a bit. Don't want to go too fast. Now we'll go right to the end of the runway here.
Okay.
Okay. Just flicking on your what's called the flight director switches, so that you can actually see on the far screen there which way the aircraft's pointing.
Okay.
Okay,
Slow down again?
Yep, slow down. Now on the top of the rudder pedals you got your little brakes, wheel brakes. So right up top of the rudder pedal. Yep, right on the top of the rudder pedals. So both feet on there, which will slow us down. Both feet.
It?
No, both feet on the rudder pedals.
Oh.
There you go.
Gotcha.
That's it. Okay, you can let go now. Okay, so we'll hold here for a bit. We just want to make sure these aircraft can get out of our way.
Isn't it like, bigger the better, so just plow them out of the way kind of thing?
Well, it's we have got a little bit of wind out it today, and so yeah, just take it easy out there.
Okay. Oh, I see what you're doing. So you've got the right brake and the left brake, so it helps you steer too.
Well, I've actually on the bottom of the rudder pedals. Normally, the first officer doesn't have what's called the tiller.
Oh.
And since I'm the instructor, I need to help you out with the rudders. So. Yep. So bring us forward just to park us behind that aircraft there. Yep. So swing us around to the left. There we go. That's fine. Alright, shut off the APU for me, which is that button there. That's the one, shut it off.
So we don't need any more because the engines are providing.
That's right. providing electrical power. Yep, power back. Power back, there we go. They seem to be mowing the grass as well for you. Oh, yep, that's okay. Keep going around. Okay, let's get going.
Did it pass this guy or what?
No, we'll just wait for a second. I'm just turning on the taxi light, the light on the end of the wheel there. I'll just turn that on for you.
Oh, okay.
Just so you don't have to take too much. Okay. Can you just pass me those charts on that side, please? Just pass me those charts there.
There you go.
Thank you. I'll give you those as we get going. Yeah, you can pretty much line up behind him. So as soon as he starts to line up, you can line up. So I'll just flick on our landing lights so that people know where we are. Okay, and I'll just also turn on the strobes and the wing lights.
Can you go ahead now?
Yep, you can start to line up. Just park, just come in behind him. Yep. Okay, you see the line here? Basically, we want to follow that line.
Oh.
Okay, so that's okay. So we'll just stop here for a second. That's okay.
I don't see the line actually.
Yeah,
I'm only 5'7". That's better.
Yeah, you can actually adjust your headset there.
There we go.
There you go. Alright, swing us around.
Okay.
Around to the left. It's a bit of power, not too much, just to get us moving. Zero 03, yep. Yep, so come to the centre of the runway. And we'll just hold here for a second. I'm just going to set some radios up for us.
Okay.
Oh. Okay, it's set. Basically what I'm doing is, just in case you just do decide to do a automatic approach, I'm just setting the ILS up for you.
Okay.
And that's one of our charts here. So basically we've got ILS, which is this one here, which is frequency 1107. You can set the parking brake if you like. That's it.
Oh.
Yep, and we need to set our VOR, which is 108.8. Oh, sorry, I'll set it actually to this one. So you can put it on our radios here. So we just set 1107. Set. Right, let's get going.
Okay.
Okay, so basically release parking brake. Now, on your M1 display, you need to take that up to 40%. So put throttles up.
Okay.
Not too much. Now you see that little thing pop out?
Yeah.
Yep, so put that up to the number 4. Okay, leave it pretty much there. Okay, you don't need your tiller anymore.
Okay. You got the rudder?
Yep. Okay, stabilize, full power. Top set, good. Okay. Now basically I'm going to call 80 knots, which means the airspeed's increasing. Then I'm going to call V1 and then rotate, so it pushes the controls right back as soon as I call it.
Okay.
Okay, 80 knots.
Now? No, 180.
No, I'm going to call it. Okay, V1, rotate, so controls right back. That's it. And we're airborne.
Okay.
Okay, we need to put the wheels up, so positive rate of climb, gear up. Put the landing gear up. Push it out. And up. There you go.
Okay.
Okay. Now we're cruising up to 3,000 feet. Nice and easy on the controls there, that's done.
Okay.
Okay, you have control.
Okay.
Keep us climbing up to 3,000 feet, so that's our altimeter.
Okay.
So that needs to go up to 3,000. Okay, speed checks, that's 1. There you go, I'm putting on your auto throttles now.
And they're cute.
Speed checks, flaps up. Okay, keep us climbing to 3,000.
Okay.
Yep, so we want basically about 1,800 feet per minute.
Okay.
Okay, so on the bottom, that little one on the left, towards me, you see that it's got 2, 3.
Yeah, I see it.
Yep.
So when I get 3,000 up here?
Yep, well that's 3,000 coming up.
And when it gets over here?
Yep.
I let go.
So we're at 2,700 now, so start levering off now.
Okay.
So we need to trim out a bit. So I've trimmed out for you just a little bit, keep us nice and, yeah, so keep us going to 3,000.
Nosedive.
Alright, you're flying. So come round to the left. So right round to the left.
Okay.
Come round, that's on. Okay, we want 20 degrees, 15-20 degrees angle of bank. Okay, level off. Okay, look outside and
okay.
Look around.
Cool. Okay.
03. Keep us climbing. Just keep us going. Just yep. Try and use some of the trim to help you out there. That's
okay.
It. That's there. Yep.
So how do I do elevator trim?
Okay, so you need to push it up. Obviously, to you can either push it up, push it down, depending on where you actually need to go. So obviously we need. Yep. So level off.
Okay.
Okay. So hold it there. Okay. So keep coming around. We need to. We don't want to descend.
Okay.
Okay. You got Rangitoto.
Yeah.
Right there. And the city's just coming on our left there.
Gotcha. There's Sky Tower and all
There's
that
Sky
stuff.
Tower and the Harbour Bridge.
Okay.
And these Mechanics Bay just down there. Yep, very good.
Okay.
Yep, not bad at all. Very good. So keep coming around. We want to intersect to come into Whenuapai.
Gotcha.
Okay, ease the bank off.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we want about 15-20 degrees angle of bank. Alright. Okay, you can roll out there.
Okay.
Wings level. Yep, wings level. There we go. Okay, we've got the city just coming down on us.
Oh yeah. That's cool.
We've got the container yards just down there.
Okay.
Okay, just come around to the left a bit. We want to try and intersect with that line there. We're going to come down this way.
Gotcha.
Alright, so I'll just set a full compass view for you so you can actually see what you're looking at.
Okay.
Oh, come down a bit. There we go. Yeah, very nice. Well done. Not as easy as it looks, is it?
No.
Okay.
But the worst that could happen is I'm just going to crash a flight simulator. So.
Well, basically you won't actually crash it. It'll bounce back up in the air because it's actually set up for that.
Oh, okay.
So that people don't get scared of crashing the aircraft.
Oh, okay.
Okay, roll out there. Wings level.
Okay.
Wings level. Right, keep coming. There we go. We've got Whitford just over the top there. So in between those two gaps over there.
Yeah.
That's Whitford.
Gotcha.
Okay. Yeah, you can probably keep us at this altitude now. Just
okay.
Because we want to get down. So hold us here, right here.
Okay. Okay. So those two lines on each side, they kind of guide me to the next airport.
Yeah. So in other words, that line
I gotta
there.
keep in between those two lines.
Yeah, exactly. So we're going to come down this way.
Okay.
Because as you can see, the 03's down here, or 3, so that's 030, and we'll want to come down this way.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll keep coming right to the end of that line there.
So what's the semicircle there approaching me there?
Sorry?
The green thing there coming closer to the center?
Basically what that means is that if you keep that towards your aircraft, which is the sort of the arrow, means you're keeping yourself level.
Okay.
Okay?
So closer, just more level it is.
So you're pretty much coming out to 3,000 feet now, so ease the controls forward a bit. There you go. Well done. Yeah, well done. Very nice. Alrighty. How's our passengers?
They're not scared yet. I'm not doing my job.
It's good. It's amazing. Like, you almost feel like you're going up and down in a real plane.
Okay.
So basically we're at 230 knots now, so we've got our speed decreased. We're going to set ourselves up for the approach.
And how we do that?
Well, I'll just keep coming out a bit further. Alright, we're getting some ice build up, so I'm just turning the anti-ice on.
How do you know we got ice build up?
Well, it's only 3 degrees outside.
Oh, gotcha.
It's pretty cold.
Gotcha.
Wouldn't want to be sitting on the end of the wing,
No, not at all.
especially in the nut.
As you get higher up, it can get up to minus 21 degrees. Or even higher than that. It gets very cold outside. We get ice build up on the wings, and they sometimes like the size of fridges, the actual ice, if we don't clear it up, clear it off in time. Okay. Yep, don't need to worry. No, it's okay. So
Where's terrain?
Yeah, just these mountains down here,
Oh.
and we've cleared them, so we don't need to worry. And our terrain radar says we've got nothing there, so that's fine. Alright, that's done. So come around to the right. Just come around to the right and start your approach. So we're going to come around. See the little snake come out?
Yep.
So you want that pretty much on that line. So keep coming around. 15 degrees angle of bank.
Okay.
That's it. Hold it there. We want ease a bit of back pressure in just to keep so we're not descending. Okay, speed checks. Flats 1.
Okay.
Okay, not too much back pressure. Just hold it there. That's perfect.
Okay.
Well done. Okay, so now we can decrease our speed another 20 knots or so.
Okay.
Okay, so keep in the...
Yep.
Keep turn going.
Okay, I got it. Okay. So the left line is where we came from. The right line, or the one that's going to turn to top line, is where we're going to.
Yep, so this line here is Phenopa.
Gotcha. So now I got the idea.
Yep. So any questions, I mean, yeah, that's fine. Just ask me.
Yep. Oh, that's kind of cool.
So, yep, just keep us coming.
What about the altitude?
Yep, so you can start descending now, just a little bit. That's it. Okay, speed checks, flats 5. And we can decrease our speed another, down to about 180.
So when you guys do this, it's usually by an instrument more than anything.
Well, if we've got bad weather out there, yeah, we normally use the instruments and also air traffic control, which tells us, you know, what's out there and when to land and that sort of thing. So, but normally, if our air traffic control is not working, we've got our radios broken or something like that, we've got a standard approach profile that we usually follow.
Okay.
Okay. So come around to that line. Okay. Okay, we're approaching in, so gear coming down.
Okay.
Anti-ice coming off.
Okay.
Landing gear down 3 grains. Very nice. You keep on that approach. Very well done. No,
That's
very
good to hear.
impressed. Yep.
Don't count on it, bastard.
Don't listen.
Better ride the way out the boat tonight.
I can change that in any second. Don't make me come back there.
Okay, keep turn going a little bit more.
Okay.
That's it. Come around.
Okay.
Now you can see the little blurb in the distance there.
Yeah.
There's our runway.
Gotcha.
Okay, so nose up. Okay, roll out there. Just start to roll out.
Okay.
Yep, don't need to go too fast.
Yep.
So roll out. Roll out. That's it. There you go. Okay, speed checks. Taking flaps 15 and take our speed down. Alright. You can see the runway there?
Yeah, I see it.
Yep. Good.
Yep. So how fast do I descend now?
Just
On a dime?
You can pretty much come down a little bit. About
Okay.
500 feet per minute.
Okay.
Can you point out the runway?
Yep. See the little strut here? It's just on the little. It's in the blur in distance there. It'll come as soon as we get closer in, you'll be able to see it a lot better. But okay. Now we're at 1,100 feet per minute. So start using the trim a little bit.
Okay.
That's it.
Ease the trim, like put it down.
So in other words, we want to come back a bit. So ease the trim back. No, you don't want to press it forward. You want to. Yeah, that's the one.
Okay.
Hold it right there. Now don't descend anymore. Okay, try and ease up on the controls there. Try and just relax. That's the
Okay.
one. There we go. Okay. Okay, more flap coming out. Okay, speed coming back to our approach speed, which was...
We're actually gaining altitude here.
Yep, so in other words, we just need to descend. Put the nose down. Okay,
Okay.
and then come around to the left. There we go.
Gotcha.
There you go, you can see the runway now.
Yeah, see it.
Oh, yeah, I see it now.
Terrain.
Okay, nose up. There we go.
Okay.
Okay, I'm just checking our approach speeds. That was 139 knots.
Terrain.
Yep, not too fast. There we go. Hold it there.
Okay.
Okay, speed checks. Flap steady.
What percentage flap do you deploy for landing?
For landing, we normally with 40 degrees of flap.
Oh, do you?
Yeah. So in other words, that's the full flap. So that's
Yeah.
yeah. If we've got a since Penelope runway is pretty short,
Yeah.
as well as Wellington, we usually land with 40 degrees of flap. But if say if it's Auckland, we can land about 30 degrees.
Terrain.
Okay, speed checks. Flaps 40. Okay, so you're coming down your reference speed now, which is on speed tape. You see
Okay.
the RAF?
RAF, where
It's
bottom
on
right?
Speed tape. Yep. So
Um,
bottom left. See where it's got 140 knots?
yeah.
There's you need to keep that on that speed, on that bug, on that pink bug.
Okay.
Okay, you're coming down nicely now, 500 feet per minute. Very nice, well done. Now, if you want to, you can release the auto throttles and control the throttles on your own
Okay.
on the landing. So
Okay.
anytime you want to do that, just press these two black buttons
Gotcha.
on each one. Coming down nicely.
So all this just helped me to, so they can concentrate on the flying thing.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly right. Alrighty, I'll do the landing checklist for you.
Okay.
Okay, continuous, speed brakes armed, landing gear down 3 greens, flaps, 40 degrees of flap, clear to land. Right, just bring the nose down a little bit more. We can start descending a little bit more now.
Okay.
That's it. Hold it there. There we go. Now we want to try and keep us on that centre line as we're coming down.
Gotcha.
So you see on your what's called your HSI, which is that screen.
Yeah.
You see that little pink diamond.
Yeah.
See how it's on that line?
Yeah.
You're on the correct glide path.
Okay.
Okay. So in other words, at the moment we're going down too fast.
Gotcha.
So we need to ease. Yep. So push back a little bit. That's it. Now hold it there.
How you want it to still 500?
Yep, we can do. Just need to keep that diamond there on
Okay.
that line, and also the other one as well. See the other one there?
Mhm,
Yep.
yeah.
So you got circle, circle, line, and then circle,
Yeah.
circle. So, yep, coming down too fast there. That's it. Yep, hold it there.
Okay, the diamond's going to the left now, so what do I do? Go to the
No,
right?
it is. You can hold it here.
Okay.
Yep. So carry on to the left, just a little bit though. Try and compensate for any wind. We've got about 8 knots of wind from it coming towards us.
Okay.
Alrighty. Now, as soon as we get closer in, you can disconnect the auto throttles.
Mm-hmm.
Now, do you want me to control those for you?
You might as well.
Okay. Yeah, sure.
I start getting my hands full here.
Okay. Okay. So you push down on the nose there. I'm closing the auto throttles now. Okay. It's looking good.
That's good.
That's it. Hold it there. Just bring the nose up.
Approaching minimums.
Perfect.
Okay.
100.
That's it.
Okay. Then nose up now or what?
Yep, start to flare.
20.
Not too much, not too much, not too much. Okay, bring nose down, nose down. We don't want to overshoot. Not too bad.
Okay.
Okay, so let's get off again.
Okay,
So
that's
full power
it.
again.
Let's put it in reverse.
No, we're taking off again.
Oh.
Gonna land back in Auckland now.
Okay, so does it air brakes what?
No, we're gonna take off again. So
Oh.
V1, rotate.
Okay. Oh, it was a short takeoff and
Yep, just call it touch and go.
okay. Didn't tell me that.
Okay, nose down.
Okay.
That's it. Don't want to go up too fast. Positive rate of climb, gear coming up.
Okay.
Okay, back up to 3,000.
Okay.
Now you've just landed a 737.
So I can just kick in the door saying I'm taking over?
Wouldn't be wise.
No, I know.
1,000.
Yeah, don't worry about that.
So where are we going now?
Okay, so we're going to come round, we're going to land on runway 03. Sorry, 05.
Okay.
Okay, so we want to come round. So if we swing round, you can start swinging
Go
round.
back to
now.
this line here again.
Yep. So
Okay.
come round to the right.
Gotcha.
15, 20 degrees angle of bank. So we'll go over Rangitoto.
Okay.
Oh, water throttle is coming on. And we'll slow down to 230 knots. Bring some air brake out, just to slow us down.
Bank angle.
Yep, bank.
Oh.
Too much bank angle. There we go.
Oh, okay.
15, 20 degrees. There we go.
Gotcha.
Now, up to 3,000. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to come back round, past this line and then come round this way.
Okay.
Alright. Okay, that's going off. That's set.
Well,
Back to 3,000.
yep.
Speed checks, flaps 1. Yep. You only need to make small adjustments because the aircraft does it pretty much all itself.
Okay.
Yeah, small adjustments, not too much. There we go.
Okay.
He's up on the controls there. That's it. There we go. Well done.
Okay.
Now, there's the city just coming on our right.
Yep.
We've got the Sky Tower there. We're over Devonport now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, speed checks, flaps up. So we'll go right over the city. Okay, we don't want to descend,
Okay.
so back up to 3,000. Okay, looks like we're gonna fly through a bit of cloud here. Oh no, we'll just make it through. So you want to see how the plane does a automated approach? You can disconnect the autopilot whenever you like though.
Okay.
It's up to you.
Yeah, sure.
Yep, see how it's done? Okay. So what we'll do, you just click on the autopilot there. Just push that A button, that's the one, push that, and press level change. Now, nose back up.
Link rate.
Oh,
That's the one thing not to do?
we need to keep it stabilised before we...
Oh.
Yep, so, okay. These are on the controls.
So
These
that
are-
button was for when you were at a certain level. Oh, it's
Yep,
taking over.
that's
Okay.
it. There we go, it's taking over now.
Okay. So now it's going to pull itself to 3,000 feet.
Yep,
Gotcha.
so we've got 3,000 feet set,
Yeah.
and there's our heading, so what we need to do is, we need to bring it round. Now you see that little thing swinging around?
Yep.
So we're
So-
turning our heading towards, we're going to go around to about 230. So if you dial in 230 for me. 230 and press the heading hold.
Okay.
So that's going to turn us onto that heading.
Gotcha.
Now, this is our approach chart. We're going to land on runway 05 right. Okay, so
Yeah.
our localizer is 1103,
Mhm.
which is the one in use. So, in fact, we'll do it on here. So if we press that one, okay, so if you type in 110.3,
110.
0, Oh, 110, yep.
0.3.
0.3.
Yep.
And put it up to VOR-L.
Is that a radio thing?
Yep, that's our radio. So at the moment we've got 8.2 nautical miles to the airport.
Okay.
Okay. Now, what I need to do on my set of radio,
Yep.
I need to put in, 114.8.
Okay.
That's telling us where the airport is. Okay. So that's done.
Okay.
And I actually have to push that over to active. So that's activated.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's do our approach check. So arm the speed brake for me. Lift it up, and then put it onto armed. That's it, right there.
Okay.
And you've got a light telling us that it's armed.
Okay. So what happens is when we touch down, the thing goes?
Yep, automatically. That'll automatically pop out.
Oh, that's
and
cool.
they come out of the wings just like a
Mm-hmm.
like a plate, just pops out, and it gets all that lift off the wing.
Gotcha.
So we don't need to do anything at the moment. I mean, like I said, says you've on final approach, you can deactivate the autopilot.
Okay, I can try that.
Yeah. Okay.
And then make some excitement to this.
Yeah, this connection is right there.
This one here?
Yep.
Okay. You don't behave, I'll push the button. So this pink thing there is where the autopilot is now bringing us.
Yeah, well basically we don't want to go down that way anymore, because we want to set ourselves up for final approach.
Yeah.
All that pink line is telling us where the where our destination is. So we're basically coming out of Auckland, and we came out towards Whanaupai.
Okay.
So normally if we're doing flights down to Wellington, from Auckland to Wellington, we would actually have routes set up. You can do that later on, if you like, and then you can actually, you'll see a whole lot of routes coming up.
Okay. Might as well go all the way. So what are we doing now? We're just approaching Auckland?
So in other words, we're going to fly down on the ILS. So what we're going to do is we're going to come towards this line here and then come down.
Okay.
Okay, you got a little clipboard there. You can put it on there.
That's inconvenient.
There you go.
Where's the cup holder?
Well, you've got a bit of room to put a cup holder down there.
Oh, gotcha.
Okay.
Oh, is this part of the checklist thing?
Yeah, but we don't use that one.
Oh.
We've got our own standard Boeing checklist up there.
Gotcha.
We can go by that if we need to.
Okay, so I see. They use this, so every time they've done something, they just keep going down or up. Okay.
By turning the, or pushing down on that
Okay.
yellow.
Oh, that's convenient.
Yeah. Okay, approach checklist, please.
Approach checklist.
Turn over.
Gotcha. Descend approach. Recall.
Recall checked.
Okay.
No lights.
What does that do?
Well, basically tells us if we've got any warning. So if I press it, you see the lights come on.
So if there was an alarm we missed it, it will tell us.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Auto brake.
Auto brake is set.
Done. Landing data.
Landing data.
VREF and minimums.
Yep, we need to check that.
Okay.
It's 139 knots.
Okay.
I think, yep, 139 knots.
Okay. Altimeters.
Altimeter is set to 1013.
So we're good?